We have to start class 6, chapter 5 algebra, exercise 5a. Now before we have to start the algebra, we are just talking about some basic things related to the algebra. First is the constant. What do you mean by constant? A symbol having fixed numerical value is called a constant. For example, 4, minus 5, 7 by 5, 1000, etc. These all are the constant. Similarly, the second one is a variable or literals. Variables are also called the literals. A symbol which takes on various numerical values is called a variable or literals. For example, we have taken small a, b, c, x, y, z, etc. Now the next one is a numerical expression. A combination of numbers connected by one or more of four basic operations is called the numerical expression. These four basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Now suppose we have taken here 4 plus 3 minus 2 multiplied 3 divided by 3. These four basic operations are utilized here. Similarly, what do you mean by algebraic expression? It contains both constant and variables. Algebraic expression consists of both constant and variables. For example, x plus 5, here variable x and constant 5, here 2r plus 3, variable r, here constant 3. Similarly, x minus 5 by 4, here variable, this one is the constant. Now, we are doing some problems related to exercise 5a. Suppose the first one is given, the cost of one pen is rupees 20, find the cost of x pens. Therefore, the cost of x pen equal to x multiplied with the 20. That means the cost of x pen is rupees 20x. Now the next one, Ravi's father is 25 years more than twice Ravi's age. Write the father's age in terms of the Ravi's age. We have to suppose that the Ravi's age is m years. Now according to the question, his father's age is double of the Ravi's age and after that more than 25 years. That means first we have to double the Ravi's age to 25, that is more than 25. That means 2m plus 25 years. That is the total number of total number of ages of that father's age. Now the next one, Banita is x years old at present. Find her age after 15 years and also find her age 5 years ago. So let us suppose the Vanita's present age has given here the x years. Now Vanita is after 15 years, that means the next 15 years. After 15 years means what? We have to add 15 plus the present year. So 15 plus x years. And age before 5 years, that means we are talking the 5 years back. That means it will be subtracted minus 5 with the present year. That means x minus 5 years.